G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at October 23rd, 2025's Killer Sudoku by Clover. As one of us says here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how y'all doing? Um, this is going to be an interesting one. I'm trying to record this before my laptop battery dies. Let's turn the brightness down on my own laptop just to survive. Um, yeah, that should be fine. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create sets of genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You'll find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You'll also find hat times, 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat's for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, I'm going to get into it now. Let's do it. Alright, so, to kill a Sudoku. Normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain digits 1 to 9 once each. And in this puzzle, we have some killer cages, such as that one. Digits in cages do not repeat and must sum to the given totals. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. I'm going to do it now. Let's do it. So, key things to note about this puzzle is these are all 8-cell cages. So this one here is 36. Which means it must contain 8 digits and cannot contain 9. It can't contain 9 because it has 8 cells, but it also can't contain the digit 9. So, whatever the total is 45 minus whatever the total to give you the digit that can't appear. But, how to start this puzzle? Where does 2 go in box 1? Can't go in the cage because it must not repeat, and can't go in those 2 cells, so it has to go there. Where can 1 go? Can't go in the cage, can't go in that cell, has to go there. And the only digit that can't repeat in this is, can't be in the cage at all, is 9. Let's go to 37. Where does 3 go? Can't go in there. And 4 is forced. 37 from 45 is 8. Now, let's go down to the 44 cage. Where does 5 go? Where does 6 go? Where does 1 go? Yeah, that's how we start this one. Where does 7 go? Can't go in the cage. 7's got to go there. 8 can't go in the cage or there, so it has to go there. And this has to be 3. Now, what else do we know? Now, 43 can't have a 2 in it, so 2 has to go in this box there. And now we have to place 8 in the cage somewhere. Because it's got to contain everything else. So 8's got to go there. And 1 can't go anywhere here, so 1 has to go there. 41 can't have a 4, so that's what we'll place 4 in that box. Where do we place 2 in the 41 cage? It's got to go there. Where do we place the 3? Can't go in any of those cells. The 3 has to go there. 37 needs an 8 to not be in it. 4 must go here, 5 must go here. And then 44 needs a 1 to be over here. And then 6 has to go here, and 7 has to go there. Yeah, that's actually all of the variant done for this puzzle. Now, we're just on to Killer Sudoku. So, let's see what we've got. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 5, and 8 to place in this box. Well, actually, we've got 3, 4, 3, 4, which puts this as 3 and 4. 4 and 3 are going to tell us how to do that. And then 5 and 8, 8 and 5, because we've already got the 8 over here. 6 and 7 left to place in row 1. They're going to go like that. This cell's a 9. Pardon me. Ugh. Gross. 5 has to go here. This is a 1 and a 9. This is a 1. 5, 6, and 8 have to go like that. It's a 5. Oh no. Okay, that's not where I'm looking. 3, 7, 8. Oh, there we go. 3, 7, 8 mean that this has to be a 9. 3 and 8 along here, put a 7 in that cell. The 8 puts the 8 and the 3 around like that. That's a 2. 9 and 6. 1, 3, 7. I can just do that with regular old Sudoku. That's a 2. 3, 4, 8 along here. That's an 8. That's a 4. That's a 3. This is 5 and 9. That's 9, 5, 9. 5 and 6. The 6 goes here, 5 there, 2 there. And then 3, 4, 6 along here. 6, 4, 3. 9, 7, and 5. I really, really love that puzzle. But, yeah, it's a quick one today. Once you get the trick and once you get what's going on, it becomes pretty standard. I mean, nothing's really standard other than Clover Killer Sudokus being amazing. But, this has been Killer Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And I will catch you next time. Cheers.